everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hello. How is everyone doing today? Please leave me comments of what you're working on. I would love to hear what's on your hook today. And also, if you're on Facebook, please share in the comments a photo of what you're working on. I just love getting inspiration from everybody. I love that we can all come together in this community and give inspiration and encourage each other in this crochet and in our projects. I've been in a slump before, and you guys have all helped me get out of my slump, and now I am crocheting up a storm over here and we're getting ready for Halloween in just a little bit here. I am working on a few projects at the same time, so I'm trying to finish up before Halloween gets here so I can get some projects out. So I know a lot of you know that we are the characters from the storybook Where the Wild Things Are this year. So Nasser is the character Max, and then Nate and I are the two monsters, or two of the monsters in the in the storybook. So I wanted to show you, we started filming Nate in my costume, and this hat, I have to put the face on it, but this is start of our costume here. So this will have the monster face on it, but I used Hygge fur in this hat, and it is so fabulous. I have a bun in my hair, but this hat is so warm. And I think it's going to look so fabulous being the monster face here. And Nate is going to have some horns, and then mine has like really long hair. So I'm really excited to film these tutorials and to get these patterns out to everybody, because you don't just need them for, you know, Halloween. These will be great character hats, and they're so warm that it'll be great for winter as well. And anybody who likes to wear a silly hat in the winter, you can make this too. So I can't wait to share that project with everybody. And I also ordered extra pieces for online. I shop online all the time, but I ordered extra pieces for our costumes that I'm not crocheting. So I got these slippers on Amazon for Nate. These are so much fun, and these will be perfect for the monster feet for his costume. So I got these on Amazon. And then I got myself a fur vest, which I actually probably wear not just on Halloween, but also it's got the tags on still. I bought this online too. I think I got this on Amazon too. And this is part of my costume, so I can't really see it very well on the camera, but it's part of my costume, and we're going to be these super furry monsters. So this is the cute fur vest that I ordered for my costume as well. So our Halloween costumes are coming along very well, and I'm really excited to get everything. So I do crochet a lot for our costumes, but I also use other mediums. And Nate's actually, his pants are being created right now, and they are they have a lot of felt on them. So I'll show those when they are finished. But yeah, that's Halloween is coming up. I'm so excited. This is the favorite time of the year. Pumpkin spice everything. I have pumpkin spice creamer. I bought a pumpkin spice candle. I've been drinking pumpkin spice lattes. I mean, just like pumpkin spice everything for me. And then, oh, one more thing before I go, because Nas is napping right now. So I want to get this up and uploaded for everybody and say hi to everybody before he wakes up. I should be a little quieter. But I wanted to share, yesterday I posted about a sale going on at a specific crochet hook shop, so I wanted to share it with everybody. Would Be Fancy is having a crochet hook sale right now. So you can get these crochet hooks on sale right now for 20% off until Sunday, which is the 13th. Nas will be 4 months on the 13th. How awesome. He's 4 months old. But that's why I always remember the 13th, because that's Nasser's day. So you can get these crochet hooks on Would Be Fancy on the Etsy shop. I will put the link in the description of this video, or you can go to Etsy and search Would Be Fancy crochet hooks, and these super fabulous crochet hooks will pop up. I use these crochet hooks in all of my video tutorials. I love them so much. I cannot rave about these enough. They are wonderful and you need them too. So they are hand carved, ergonomic, wooden handle. Sorry, my video is getting blurry. Just love these so much. And I've gotten questions. I hold my hook like this. This is like the knife hold. But if you also hold your hook like a pen, I mean, it fits in the palm of your hand perfectly. It is so wonderful, and you can crochet just like this as well. So, and there's right-handed and left-handed hooks. So if you're a left-handed hooker, you can get these hooks too. And it's not just domestic, there are international shipping options too. So those of you who do not live in the United States, you still have the option wherever Etsy ships is where you can get these hooks too. So check out the Etsy shop, Would Be Fancy. And yeah, check them out. They're fabulous. My dad owns it and he makes these, and he just helped me. I'll share the blog about Would Be Fancy and how it all started. My dad's so amazing at what he does, and he just wanted to help me, you know, kind of be able to crochet for longer, because I'm so obsessed with crochet that he was able to create these hooks for me so I can crochet longer, because I suffer from arthritis, and you know, when you crochet for a long period of time your hands get cramped anyway. So these hooks are just wonderful to crochet longer and have the ease in your hand and not have to strain or anything. So I highly recommend these to anybody. I hope you enjoy and get on that sale. Like I said, it's ending on a Sunday. You can get 20% off, so make sure to check out the shop. I'm just gonna go back and, well, I'm gonna check on Nasser first and then I'm gonna go back and finally finish our Halloween costumes. So I cannot wait to share those patterns with you this month. And then after that, it is the holidays. The holidays are here. I'm so excited though. I love the holidays and holiday crochet and gift giving, and just all that is right around the corner. So I'm really excited to share that with everybody. Okay, this video got a little long, but I just wanted to check in and say hi. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and until next week, happy hooking!